Hi guys, Paul
And Ryan.
PA Outdoors Couple. Not an outdoors video, but we are outdoors because we're going to try to insulate the bed of the truck a little bit to extend our comfort this winter camping. This is going to be a quick video. It's probably going to be like, hey, this is what we're doing. Click. And then it's in. Click. You know what I mean? But we just we bought some. This is 16 inches by 25 feet of roll insulation. I believe it's an R6 or R7 insulation value. And we have some spray adhesive. Of course, we're not prepared, so I forgot it in the house. It's a Gorilla Glue spray adhesive. And Ryan and I are going to attempt to just basically piece it, work it nice and smoothly through. We're gonna probably have to cut some here and there to get for the wheel wells and things like that. It's not going to be a masterpiece, but it's going to keep us warm this winter. We'll be back.
I asked if we could do a chipmunk video, sped up, like while we're doing it.
I don't know if we can do that. I don't know.
You're the edit man.
They just changed YouTube. The update just completely ruined my studio. We can't even do the music like we were doing and stuff anymore. What? We'll figure it out. But it's nice you brought that up. We'll see.
All right. Pause.
Hey guys, here it is. And it's the first of many, well, second, we put a shelf, but the second of many improvements to the sleeping arrangement back here. I think even the small amount of stuff that we did is going to help tremendously in the future for insulation. And also we have cut two different sections of it that are going to go along the side windows, only temporary for this winter. We're going to come up with some curtain ideas and stuff like that. So that'll be fun. That'll be good. Now we're going to reload the truck, which was the fun part before we started this video. Anyway, so all I did was I got 16 inches by 25 inches of 25 feet of R6 or 7 insulation. I got it for 22 of the American dollars, free shipping off eBay. Do check it out if you're interested in that. We used Gorilla Glue. It was a little funky at first, but I guess you need to really build up a coat and make sure you hold it there, right?
Was an additional $14 or so.
$14 for the Gorilla Glue. So honestly,
like 35 bucks.
35 bucks for hopefully a more comfortable evening and a more insulated evening.
And we have a heater for.
We have an electric heater
our December trip.
For our December trip. We're going to Cinemahoning. state park, and we got an RV site, so might as well
An
use the
electric
RV goodness.
hookup.
Yeah, so we have this little tiny cute electric heater that we're going to try out for that night. And until then, it's been
Super
Paul
excited. And Ryan.
PA
and
Outdoors couple.
Marge.
There she is. Cheers.
Shiny Marge. And get outdoors in
Boom.
the back of your truck.
It's like a disco ball in there.
You can hardly tell, but she's shiny.
Bye.